Professor Gillers, everything we're looking at here as longtime Supreme Court watchers, you the most expert among us, was inconceivable just weeks ago, days ago, before reading these texts. Even with Jane Mayer's reporting of 2 months ago, this was shocking, certainly to me. Eugene has just raised a future shock that I can't even imagine how to deal with. And that is the possibility that Justice Thomas completely ignores all of this and follows Mitch McConnell's advice from the Senate floor yesterday and refuses to recuse from anything, no matter how many Ginny Thomas emails and texts come out in the evidentiary base of a case.
Well, thank you for inviting me, Lawrence. I don't think it's I think it's certain, near to certain, that Justice Thomas will not recuse himself from any case involving the January 6th committee or the election. To recuse now, I think he will see it as an admission that he shouldn't have sat in the earlier cases. So he's going to stay, and he knows he's appointed for life, and he knows that no one on the Supreme Court can get him to back down. So he is the final arbiter of whether or not he can sit, and he is going to rule in favor of himself. That's for sure.
And Professor Gillers, just clarify for the audience, there's this notion that there's a Chief Justice and he might be sort of their boss and can tell them to do things. That's not really quite the way it works.
No, it's not the way it works. Each one of them is a prima donna. And while there is a Chief Justice, and while he can beg and plead and try to persuade other justices to recuse in a particular situation, he has no power. The power is in each justice to decide. So I'm sure that Chief Justice Roberts, watching the declining reputation of the court in the country, is beside himself, but there is nothing he can do.